Good morning, Jim Barrett from RJL Futures. Monday morning, March 18th. Treasury yields falling, or actually fell quite a bit Sunday night. The news, of course, is Cyprus. The proposed bank levy has really roiled the markets, and a bit of a flight to quality. Peripheral yields in Europe, the smaller countries with trouble, the yields are up, and people are buying notes, bonds, wounds, whatever. However, on a Sunday night, when we get news over a weekend, Sunday night, there's typically an overreaction to the news, and it looks like that's what we have this morning. Yields fell as low as 194. Now, considering they were around 205, 206 last week, as they backed up in front of the refunding, a successful refunding, that's quite a jump, and that's in an overall trading range market. Certainly, you got to be careful of trade location. You got to be careful of chasing things, in other words. And it looks like last night the market chased itself up to levels that were, on a short-term basis, going to be a bit unsustainable. All right, so we're underneath 2, and the 30-year actually was up 1 3/4. You know, after Friday's nice close, that was great follow-through, but I think it's unlikely to expect any more follow-through at this point. So the vote, there apparently was going to be a vote by the Cyprus parliament today. It's been delayed. There's a political backlash about this situation. Russians aren't too happy. Apparently there's a lot of there's Russian money parked in these banks, a considerable amount of money. And we'll see what happens, you know, with the vote tomorrow. I think it's scheduled, but it appears they're waffling already about this thing. So, of course, notes and bonds have fallen off their highs. Stock indexes have recovered from the sharply lower start to some degree. They're still lower. Notes and bonds are still higher, likely to remain so. Focus will shift this week. There is a big FOMC meeting, a 2-day meeting. Starts tomorrow. We won't get any news on it till Wednesday, about 1 o'clock. And then there's a press conference where Bernanke will take questions at 2:30 Eastern Time, 1:30 Chicago time on Wednesday. So that's likely to be a big market mover this week. As far as reports, we got to wait a bit. We got to wait really till Friday, or Thursday rather. Jobless claims, the PMI, existing homes, and the Philly Fed. So Thursday, the reports are stacked up on Thursday, day after the Fed chairman's press conference. So hopefully we have a busy week. At this point in time, we're again consolidating the last couple days' gains. Expect a bit more subdued trading. Outside markets, there was kind of a spectacular break in a couple of things, copper, crude, even the grains were hit by this news. But again, because the Cyprus is waffling about actually doing this, or there is some political backlash. We'll see what actually happens. All those things are off their lows right now. I can reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. And remember, there is a risk of loss in futures trading. Thank you.